In front of me is a Honor 7A, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through the recovery mode. And this method also removes a screen lock if you can't get into your device. So for instance, if I lock it and you have a screen lock which you don't remember the pattern to, you will get rid of it automatically as well. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we'll then hold power key and volume up. Okay, so now that it's off, power key, volume up, both keys at the same time. Now once you see the logo, you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. From here, you want to tap on the Wipe Data Factory Reset, the middle option, and then type in yes to confirm it. The way it tells you right here. And once you type in yes, you can then tap on Wipe Data Factory Reset. Without actually typing it in, you wouldn't be able to continue. And from here, once more, Wipe Data Factory Reset. It will begin the process. It takes like 30 seconds right here. And once it's finished, we'll then reboot the device, and the process will actually continue in the background while the device is booting back up. So just be patient. It will take a little bit longer than it normally does for the device to turn back on. And once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. And from here, tap on Reboot System Now. And let's just wait for the Android setup screen to show up. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device. Now I'm gonna skip through most of this just to get to the home screen, so you can see that there is no more lock screen as well. So just choose a language. And you will see that we're now in the home screen. Once it actually fully loads, there we go. And if I lock the device and unlock it, you will see that there is no more lock screen as well. So there it is. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.